Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download Ledger Live application on your iOS device. To install the Ledger Live app, first of all, go ahead and open your App Store. Once you open up your App Store, go to the search box at the top and type in Ledger Live and search. Once you see the search result, go ahead and look for this Ledger Live crypto and NFT app application like this, and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Ledger Live is the official app for managing your Ledger hardware wallets. It provides an interface for managing your crypto assets and interacting with decentralized services while ensuring your private keys remain secure on the Ledger device. Once the application is installed, you can open the app and get started with it. So that's how you easily download Ledger Live crypto and NFT application on your mobile device. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.